Alex CodeMaster, Waves. Hello, tech enthusiasts, innovators, and developers of the world. I'm Alex CodeMaster, your guide into the future of technology. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Git, a distributed version control system that's a vital tool for any developer. Understanding Git is like having a time machine. It allows you to move back and forth in your code's history, see changes, and fix mistakes. So let's dial up the flux capacitor and jump in. Alex CodeMaster, pointing to the screen. First off, let's talk about git init. This command sets up Git for your project by creating a new .git subdirectory in your project directory. Think of it as setting up your own personal time machine for your code. Alex CodeMaster. Next up, we have git add. This command is your way of telling Git which changes you want to include in the next commit. It's like packing your bags before a time travel journey. You decide what to take along. Alex CodeMaster. And then there's git commit. This command is the equivalent of hitting the start button on your time machine. It records your changes and creates a new commit with a log. It's your way of making your mark in the timeline. Alex CodeMaster. Now, if you want to see what changes have been made, git diff is your go-to command. It's like having a map of all the timelines and seeing how they differ from each other. Alex CodeMaster. And if you need to go back in time to a previous version of your project, git checkout is your command. It's your steering wheel for the time machine. Alex CodeMaster. Finally, when you're ready to share your project with the world or collaborate with other developers, git push helps you upload your work to a remote repository. Think of it as opening a portal to another dimension where your fellow developers are waiting. Alex CodeMaster. These are just the basics of Git, but mastering them will give you a head start in managing your code efficiently. Remember, the future of coding is collaborative, and tools like Git make it easier for us to work together and innovate. Alex CodeMaster. So, there you have it. The essential Git commands every developer must master. In the future, as we move toward more collaborative and distributed modes of working, understanding and utilizing these commands will become even more crucial. Remember, Git isn't just a tool, it's a bridge, connecting your work with the world, making collaboration and innovation seamless and efficient. So go ahead, dive in, and start creating your own timelines in code. The future is waiting for you. Until next time, keep innovating, keep coding, and remember, the future is what we make it. This is Alex CodeMaster signing off. Stay curious, my friends.